Hello students, so in this video now we will discuss the next tool, which is pattern stem tool. So pattern stem tool we can see here, and then we can select any pattern from here, and then we can draw that pattern like in the background. You can select any pattern from here, we can use as a background. Even we can also fill some selection with pattern. So first we can create a selection, then with pattern stem tool we can fill that specific area with pattern. If you click here, you can see like you can see when you open Photoshop first time, so you can see few patterns. So if you click on settings, now here you can see different patterns. Like for example, if I click here and click on web patterns and then click on append, then you can see more patterns are there. If you click like rock patterns, append, so more patterns are there. You can also use in images. For example, if you want to use here, so select this and this time select opacity less than 100%, like 50% I used, or for example 20% if you want to use. So see. And the next thing, like we can also define patterns. If you have some images or if you design something from scratch in Photoshop, you can also define as pattern. So this is here. Now click on edit and define pattern. So here we can write like my new pattern. And now if we click pattern stem tool, the last pattern you can see which we have recently defined, and you can see it's here 100%. We can select. I will create something with 20 by 20 inches, and we can also use this one here. See, so no problem like what is the size of the document. If you have defined the pattern, we can use there. See, so it's also a very good, useful and professional tool which we can use to create backgrounds, and also we can use this in images and with some less opacity. Thank you very much for watching this video.